Check one, check two. We're back just like that. We're back. Boom. Kaboom. Saying? It's not the new me. This is the newer me. That's how we do the thing then. We got anywhere you lock him from, yeah? Right now, I just want to hold you on a jingle. I'm going to find something them saying. Hold on a massive them.
Selector! Yeah. Big up Jamaican English. Big up Waterproof Sound. Any sound this, them are gonna get sink tonight. Sink them! Sink them, Waterproof! Sink them!
Hey, them not bad like DJ Jamaican English, you know, watch you know. Waterproof Sound. Just kick the one upon them like a ball in our net. Boom, score. What of them? One more time again.
You're now in tune to DJ Jamaican English, the musical general. As Silky D has said that DJ Jamaican English control it universal.
Ated! DJ Jamaican English, them flow the thing set out the seat. Busy the turf president, them flow the thing set. One phone call it check fi make some boy wipe off a hurt and drop tongue flat. Ated!
Original Chronics representing for DJ Jamaican English, and I say, don't say a word King Selassie I rule all bird. Amen.
At the place, man. This is your girl Alfia here. Yes, DJ Jamaican English with Jaya. You don't know, stick and stay.
Yeah, we just let the people them come back in, right? We just let the people them come back in. We got all massive them.
DJ Jamaican English, Waterproof Sound, Bonnie General, I tell them, yeah, hear me? Lord God, no, hey, English make you bad, so play reggae music, play them every night and day. Lord, no.
All right, the big man himself, King Tidal.
This is King Tidal representing for Jamaican English. And it goes like this. Jamaican English, play for you, for you, all the time. Jamaican English, play for you, Jamaican English, play for you, play for you.
This is my favorite of the day today. We got the bass planet massive. King Tidal, listen up. When me first hear this, and a mercy.
Hunting, I'm going on the hunting, yeah. Gotta find food for the family. Me no in a no joking, yeah. Hunting, I'm going on the hunting, yeah. Gotta find food for the family. Me no in a no joke.
Big up Glenn Garfield, the big man, big up.
When the first story snows, the other will be on the ground. Cause no one to see you when you're down. Them a greet you with a frown. You got to be forceful, then the things that are around you. It's the...
Me tell you no, King Tidal. Live on Byte Radio, UK.com this Sunday, 9 p.m. 9 p.m, yeah?
I'm going on the hunting, yeah.
If you're from foreign lands, that's in a UK evening time.
In a no joking, yeah.
A good time.
Hunting, I'm going on the hunting, yeah. Gotta find food for the family. In a no joking, yeah. Cherish every moment, cherish it while it lasts. Cause no one knows what tomorrow brings. So you feel why in the king, put no one before you. Be truthful to yourself.
To the man of the day, bass planet star, King Tidal himself, the head honcho.
Hunting, I'm going on the hunting.
Salute to the king.
Gotta find food for the family.
I'll take his queen. Pam pam.
Yeah. Hunting, I'm going on the hunting. Yeah.
Me tell you no.
Food for the family.
Big up Bad Sarge.
Joking, yeah. When the first door is closed, the other will be on the ground. Cause no one face you with a frown. You get me forced.
Bass Planet Massive anyway there, big up.
And all around you.
Glenn Wise man, we got the Harlow crew.
Be able
every time.
In this perilous time, hunting. I'm going on the hunting.
Like I said, we're back like that. That's what Instagram do. Oh gosh, more gonna come from Mr. himself, King Tidal. But do remember Sunday, 9 p.m. UK time, the live interview. Saying, you know, Mr. Big Bud hands in it like family business, yeah? So you don't know it's close to the heart. Big up the crew, them Lok-i Jamaican English. This is what? Insta who? Insta what? Insta who? Insta ounces or at least some kilos. Here's a Glenn. Huh? That's why I never come in here, you know, because grams is funny, you know. Hey, Facebook is Facebook. Let's just face it. Let's just face the facts. Facebook is Facebook. Face the facts. Insta. Gram.
Now hear me now! The whole world listen to me now, Jigsaw King attack, you know. And my brother this, you know. DJ Jamaican English and my brother this, a Jigsaw King attack and my brother this. Waterproof! They're no bad like you.
Hey, me like the man in the advert, the comfort advert. Easy now. Breezing.
Jamaican English. You bad, them can't test you. Your brains over each of them way I left you on. You no fear in the jump and son. Son, why? Go take your mother. Can we bad, bad we bad, so don't try test me. Your brains over each of you way I left this fool. We no fear in the jump and son. Son, why? We bad, steam, smoke, then can't catch we slipping. 33 in the clip, Scotty Pippin. Rado, cook up with the spatula we whipping. Just go on the mustard dipping. Call if you blame about them, can't fix it.
Them not ready for me.
The box and the English signal this.
Me like Marmite.
Vendetta bastards. Cause what can't tell English in a response to killing dog. P18 and below it.
That's why me can't go out around beer blank of fire.
Oh, the play man a thing in your face. You and your son about the wall and who know a dartboard. We back a try test me. We been over his own way.
We me and the dancer. Hold up a girl them there.
Jump at
hold up a girl.
Go check your mother. Can we bada.
Me ain't no man.
Try test me. We been so
me a man.
We die left this fool. We no fear no jump and son. Fool. Go check your mother. Jamaican English you.
Jigsaw King.
No. Gas stove. And no forgot all we fly passport. Black load like a country chop. On a Thursday anything rice get robot. Washboard. You no listen to no long story. You will and come again up on the battlefield.
Waterproof sound, DJ Jamaican. Tony Curtis represent. For the man that said Jigsaw King.
Now you mean to Tony Curtis are the greatest you this. DJ Jamaican English.
Hey, whoa.
Hey, DJ Jamaican English and the brother that.
Jamaican English.
And the greatest youth.
It's the best kept secret.
Murder. Some jambalina.
Wicked every time, you know.
Jump some dancey style. Jabbing everybody.
Pam.
No wonder.
Right on the wall run.
Knock it.
Run.
We got Bad Sarge.
Jump some doubly.
Let's go. Tony Curtis, Jigsaw King, 2 for 2. Listen, Waterproof.
Yeah, the champion. Waterproof.
DJ Jamaican English, you know what? You know you're big, you're bad and heavy. Any boy this you tonight, them are gonna be Jigsaw ball. You know you're big, you're bad and heavy. Hey, DJ Jamaican English, oh, you never trouble them and them come trouble your house. I can tell people know the wicked and the rough, but tonight, you know they must bind the house. And them attack, and them a jump up. Send to the night and bust the night.
English. All Jamaican in dances song, big sound, ragamuffin sound for years. Send it off. Ding ding dong, go down. Waterproof sound, ragamuffin. Turn over that now. Said I'm telling you, waterproof, you want big bad sound. Said I'm telling you, waterproof, I got murder them sound. Said I'm telling you, waterproof, I got muffin sound. Said I'm telling you waterproof and general song. You know why? Waterproof. I want to murder some dibby sound for me. Kill a little dibby sound for me.
Yo, me are the maddest DJ on the planet. Me are the maddest selector in the world. Saying waterproof sound, me not have no energy. Me have passion. And you see me left energy at the gym. Oh, I'm tired now. Yeah, I've done what I can do. Passion, I gotta take you to your grave. And a mercy.
The green sound's called Waterproof Sound, DJ Jamaican English. All Jamaican in dances sound, big sound, ragamuffin sound for years. Send it off. Ding ding dong, good now. Waterproof sound.
See when me enter the dance. Listen when me enter the dance.
Well, said I'm telling you waterproof, you want big bad sound. Said I'm telling you waterproof, I got murder.
Watch me clear the path.
Said I'm telling you waterproof, I got muffin sound. Said I'm telling you waterproof, and general sound. You know why? Waterproof. I want to murder some dibby sounds for me. The green sound's called Waterproof Sound, DJ Jamaican English. All Jamaican in
that time a new one.
Muffin sound for years. Send it off.
That time a new one. Just I made.
Ding ding dong.
Just a fresh.
Waterproof sound. Ragamuffin.
And a new one.
Stand up and that. Said I'm telling you waterproof, you want big bad sound.
Easy Ronald and a big up brush. 756, that's Ronald, my brother. Big up Keyman family.
Said I'm telling you waterproof and ragamuffin sound.
Nah, this is my new one. I need my walking stick.
Telling you waterproof
and the gangster stick.
Sound. You know why? Waterproof. I want to murder some dibby sounds for me. Kill a little dibby sound for me. It's a true, yes. The very first time that I heard you, wishing I'd open.
Me I mad them up.
Seems like heaven was an holiday. That very day when you come away, I want to prove. I want to murder some dibby sound for me. Kill a little.
Ah, they must see them lock on and big up.
Me.
Bad Sarge, knock it.
It's a true, yes. So do you remember the night proof murder your sound? The sound bar. And throw your dibby sound right down to the ground. Waterproof, you just murder some idiots. So,
Peace and blessing manifest when Jamaican English play. Peace and blessing manifest when Jamaican English play. Peace and blessing manifest. Peace and blessing manifest when Jamaican English play. And if a sound boy disrespect, them have to run away. English being a champion sound, then call him by his name. Who sound do not believe in God, we bring them down to shame. Oh, on and on, waterproof I play till the break of dawn. Hey,
we got Lover NG on 53.
I saw him boy with
Bad Sarge, big up
on
Mr. Ronald Garfield Treasure.
The champion.
This is Silky D.
Plates that with
Silky D.
Oh, yeah, you may, yeah. Peace and blessing manifest when Jamaican English play. And if a sound boy disrespect, them have to run away. Jamaican English English playing a champion sound, then call him by his name. Most sound do not believe in God, we bring them down to shame. Oh, on and on, on and on. Waterproof I play till the break of dawn. Hey, on and on, on and on. A sound boy wish him never did born. I know Waterproof the champion with dumb plates that will kill you. Yeah, you may ask, cause you did not do your math. Boom! 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Some sound get buried. Oh, what a clash, what a clash. The sound boy says he knows something, he knows nothing at all. Though it seems colder in the summertime, and hotter when they fall. Waterproof the champion sound, then call us by our name. Most sound do not believe in God, we bring them down to shame. Oh, on and on, on and on. Jamaican English, I kill them till the break of dawn, break of dawn.
English start to her. Can't remember why we fell apart. Oh no, something that was so meant to be. English girls, forever was the.
You got Love NG, some Mother Road.
Oh no.
Yo, we're different. It's Instagram. It's not Facebook.
Jeez. Oh girl, do I ever cross your mind?
I'm trying to go easy on them. But today we set a new trend. We have a new dance.
For me.
Hush, me bring it on Thursday.
Do I ever cross your mind?
The gangster walking stick. Watch it.
Time. English means
what do you call it? Stage prop. Yeah, man.
Still never pictures in the frame.
Ches.
Hear your footsteps down the aisle. Oh, I swear I hear her voice driving me insane.
In the membrane.
That she would come.
Must smoke son a big up. Bad Sergeant don't know.
Do I ever cross your mind? Anytime.
Anytime.
Do you ever wake up reaching out for English? Do I ever cross your mind? Anytime. Said it's not English, me. Said it's you. Said oh, oh. Said it no more. Said ironic, no more pain. No more. No more driving me insane. No more. I said it's not too far from Neverland. No reason to pretend. If I jump and dance, see we kill them. English no beg, no friend.
Hear the cry.
Don't want to prove, make miracles. Just you wait and see. Some boy believe in me. Want to prove I kill.
Ches, man.
It's not too far from wartime. No reason to pretend. If I jump and dance, see we kill them. Waterproof, no beg, no friend. Oh, the waterproof make miracles. Just you wait and see. Waterproof believe in me. Hey.
Let me tell you why Ches is bad.
Stay sailing, take them away to the
Ches, man.
Cemetery.
Let me tell you why Ches is bad.
Prove him I kill, jump and be free. Last night is the worst night, the beginning of the end. Jamaican beat them to the mug him, send them. No friend him, no beg them. Shot him, give them. English kill them now. Heaven only knows. Jamaican kill them slow.
I take Tessie.
I jump and go to the graveyard, jump and go. Heaven only knows. Jamaica.
Lady Dennis on a big up.
To the graveyard, jump.
One Love, Debbie Lewis.
To the grave.
Heart to love.
Go. Jamaican English, tell them this. There they go. To the mark again. When clash gates round, some boy wants to blame me.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Jamaican English. You don't know. Garfield Revelation Treasure. Don't know. Whoa, yeah. Smoke them.
Nah. Yeah, where's my ganja massive them? Hard herbalists around the world.
We smoke the marijuana till the eyes them red. No give me no cocaine, no methamphetamine. Jamaican English make we trample. With waterproof sound, me say they must get the fee. The other day we and Jamaican English up. My little jar of a the good in the car. Him take a little talk and this he spoke. Pum pum, oh my nice treasure, this
Garfield Revelation Treasure. Don't know.
Garfield Revelation Treasure at it.
Oh yeah.
Knock it.
Smoke the marijuana.
What am I so massive round the world? Listen up. Garfield Treasure, do it again.
Check it. We smoke the marijuana till the eyes them red. No give me no cocaine, no methamphetamine. Jamaican English make we trample the beast. With waterproof sound, me say they must get
again.
The other day me and Jamaican English apart. Me give my little jar of a the good in the car.
Again.
Take a little talk and this he spoke.
Pam, oh my days treasure, this herb is no joke. This no joke, this no joke, this no joke, this no joke, this no joke.
Oh my days, yo, people, them, this is no joke. It's Jamaican English.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Garfield Revelation Treasure.
Revelation Treasure. Don't know.
Whoa, yeah. Smoke the marijuana. Jamaican English, they butter. Check it. We smoke the marijuana till the eyes them red. No give me no cocaine, no methamphetamine. Jamaican English make we trample the beast. With waterproof sound, me say they must get.
Come again.
The other day me and Jamaican English apart. Me give my little jar of a the good in the car. Him take a little talk and this he spoke.
Pum pum, oh my days treasure, this herb is no joke.
The marijuana, Jamaican English they bout ya. Waterproof sound in the air.
Me tell you no.
Smoking high grade set.
We got Glenn's a big rhythm.
Check it. The marijuana healing of the nation. It they are from earth creation. Herbs of choice by King Solomon. Queen of Sheba, Ethiopia, birthing my son. Instead of me hating you and you hating me, come make we go up the road and get some good Cali. Smoke and peace about the one named Haile.
Garfield Revelation Treasure, let's go.
Oh, what a jubilee, the ganja. Jamaican English, they bout ya. Waterproof sound in the area. In this Iowa.
Yeah. Put it down.
Jamaican English, you don't know, you know. Waterproof sound, your best sound. Best sound. Around town, around town, around town, around town, around town.
I'm ready now, we cranium. Jamaican smoke, I grade till him eyes them red. Him a one boy, him bun cooked. Babylon, I'm ready now, we cranium.
Ches again, he is the general.
Jamaican smoke, I grade till him eyes them red. Him a one boy, him bun cooked. Babylon buck him up and ask him where is his dread. Him no buzz gun, this a no capanar. Jamaican smoke, I grade till him eyes them red. One puff it, curl up in a him head. Him not stop smoke it till it kill him dead. Him a forget God by the. So we go link up, Jigsy run a angel too. Him have the bag of marijuana with the glue. Him say link up, play and him a the farmer man. Him always a do, cultivate English a Rasta.
What am I say around the world? Big up the one in the UK. Yo, brush, Mr. Ronald, big up. Garfield Treasure, pam pam.
Relax and kick way, pain.
No powder.
Smoke I grade till him eyes them.
Ganja.
Him a one boy, him bun cook.
Hey.
Land buck him up and ask him where is his. Him no bus gun, this a no capanar. Jamaican smoke I grade till him eyes them red. One puff it, curl up in a him head. Him not stop smoke it till it kill him dead. Him a forget God. Waterproof sound. The time has come in English life.
Yeah, it's the head honcho himself, Mr. King Tidal. Star of the day today on the bass planet, yeah, you hear me? And we played one of my favorite tunes, them off Mr. King Tidal, and it's called Hunting. And it's also around on YouTube. Go check out Mr. King Tidal. And tomorrow, the Sunday interview is with none other than himself, King Tidal, on the Big Bud Show, 9 p.m. UK time. You can get that on the TuneIn app, online record box, Shoutcaster page. Go straight to the web page. Even Big Bud does a Facebook Live as well. And also, our interviews get recorded and are on the Mix Cloud. Saying, I saw we do the thing them King Tidal, I'm going to sign off the thing them. Star of the day, star of the planet.
Down.
Pam pam.
The time has come in English life for him to kill a sound boy. It on in the clash.
All right, because people them say, look at him, he thinks he's a bad boy. He's trying to hold his hand like a gun. When me come to clash, me no need no weapon, but guess what? Here what I'm gonna do to them. I have a new one for them.
Waterproof sound. The time has come in English life for him to kill a sound boy. It on in the clash. So I won't regret. No,
slice them apart.
Every precious moment that I
dub for dub, tune for tune,
killing a son boy.
Wanna see me weapon? Woo!
This clash. So don't be sad.
Wanna see me weapon and make me pop it off?
Blue, you've got a son boy, be killed, be true. Waterproof sound, kill them.
You're ready for that one, isn't it?
Was here, now it's gone. Now it's time.
Sharp! And when the big man come, me have my machine ready, you know. Me have my machine ready for them.
Big sound. Waterproof sound. The time has come.
Shot them.
Life for him to kill a sound boy. It on.
Me have all the props, you know. Me have film star around here. Listen, King Tidal.
So I won't regret, no, every precious moment that I spent killing a son boy.
Instagram, me getting a new one today, and I'm telling you, there's 2 new props.
It's clear.
Me ever learning, you know. Me ever vibes in.
So don't be sad, don't be blue. You've got a son boy, be killed, be true. Waterproof sound, kill them. Love was here, now it's gone.
Good God.
Now it's time to keep moving on.
Jamaican English, original King Channel, say watch on some boy, one of the bad. What happened to them? And we run UK, some boy for know, say watch on pam 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 pam.
Son boy die, brains are gonna fly
over the mountain and the hills.
King Tidal tell.
Yes.
English and the boy them fi go on a school. Them jump on canna and a shine up tool. Shirt out a pants and a screw up face. With them tight up and stay below them waist. Jamaican English, the boy want intermediate. Then the type of waist boy they will.
Nah, I'm not a gangster, me a road boy.
I instigate, that's when them end up through Central Gate. Claim say them a bad man fi ooh.
Me a road boy.
Them a rude boy fi you.
Hey, listen up.
Ooh. Claim say them a bad man fi ooh.
A true.
Say them a rude.
This is King Tido, a slow.
You.
Listen again.
Ooh, yeah. Them hide in a dance with people dub. And as them see a jeep, them are the first to run. When them see Jamaican English as a champion, them a walk with the brazen in a hand. Yo, next time you see them a check you for your thing. You tell them say no, them start the praying. Anything we have me are the first on the list. Cause them claim say this, this. Claim say them a bad man fi ooh. Claim say them a rude boy for you. Claim say them a bad man for you. Claim say them a rude boy.
Me have no suitcase of bad man, me have suitcase of dub.
Jamaican English and the boy them fi go on a school. Them jump on canna and a shine up tool. Shirt out a pants and a screw up bits. With them tight up pants stay below them waist.
Me just count.
Intermediate, then the type of waist boy they we cannot win. Fear badness, them a instigate. Jamaican English kill them. Claim say them a bad man. Pump. Now them boy the face.
Yo, people, them, yo, that is my pride. I'm precious. My pride and joy, people, them, you hear me? If you want to book me for a dance, me come and fling some dubbing in your head. Sane?
Waterproof sound.
Again, rude boy.
The time has come in English life.
Big up Glenn, you done know Glenn. Big up Ronald.
Kill a sound boy. It in.
Big up DJ Nayama Food.
The class.
You got the Saturday Massive.
Oh, I won't regret, no, every precious moment that I spent killing a son boy.
Alright, me can't stress it enough, you know. King Tido, the man himself. Interview, Byte Radio, UK.com, 9 p.m. sharp.
Oh, so don't be sad, don't be blue.
Never be sad and blue when Jamaican English is round about the place.
Me can I beg you please, take the wicked them out of your sight.
When I say Glenn Wise, him say Lok-i, big up.
Work, we are go out of the world of them life. Jamaican I beg you please, take the wicked them out of the dead.
Ches, man.
And the them a work, we are go out of the Jamaican English. Sure, put him trust in the hand.
Glenn, next one for Glenn.
John lift up the English, carry the cross with the Almighty. Straight to Galilee. One God, one name, one destiny. And all we need are more love amongst we. And the angel of the Lord, him surround me. I mean, I only sanctuary. English.
A Saturday cup of tea.
Yeah, please.
I'ma murder them.
It's life. Night and day, them a work. We are go out of the world of them life. Jamaican English. Jaja me, I beg you, please. Take the wicked.
Hey, me, I'm a boy for tea, you know.
Night and
me, I shut the play cup of tea.
English are out of the world of the world of the world of the
Waterproof them don't bow down sound. Anything just dead. Waterproof them don't bow down sound. Anything just whoa. Can sit down loud the back. Jump on figure shot. Any someone they see no one strange gunshot. I sit down loud the back. Jump on figure shot.
Jigsy King on my brother.
Ask him, oh, call the father up every man me know say him. Vex, Don't jump on, but them a lay down in a bed. Left her nice and stand up and see him. It can't wait, come make that kill.
Come again.
Freedom and I'm blind. Uno ram pam pam pam. Want to prove them don't bow the sound. Anything just dead. Uno ram pam pam pam. Want to
Silky D the boss. We got Tony Curtis. And the full crew Chessman.
out the back, jump on figure shot. Any someone this you know a strange gunshot. I said down the back, jump on figure shot. Any someone this you know a stream. Hoy, call the father up every man me know say him. Vex, don't jump on but them a lay down in a. Left her nice and stand up and see him babe.
Wagwan.
We come make that.
Easy Glenn.
Get the one freedom and I'm blind. Cripple away instead. Go on, go get the gun. English on the rap, pam pam pam. Want to prove them don't bow down sound. Anything that's dead, dead.
Sound, my God, been killing sounds long time. Growing stronger every day now. Feel so good and there is no doubt. Waterproof are the champion sound. As each morning brings the sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. On Waterproof you can rely. Waterproof, I go
Silky smooth.
Waterproof, I go murder your sound. Lick off your head crown. Sound.
What am I say, Glenn?
Been killing sounds long time. Growing stronger every day now. Feel so good and there is no doubt. Waterproof are the champion sound. As each morning brings the sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. On Waterproof you can rely. Waterproof, I go kill your sound. Waterproof, I go murder your sound. Lick off your head crown. Waterproof, I go murder your sound.
Bigger the Insta what?
Nothing but a come out.
Insta ounces, kilos.
Clouds arrive, Jamaica English, never leave your side.
We got Garfield Revelation Treasure locked on for the journey.
Waterproof.
We got Ronald.
#1 sound.
Keep the signal them up.
Baby.
When a blessing and God love you.
In pain.
Remember, massive, we always will be here. Now and again juggling around.
Proof will.
Them can't hold me down, them can't tame me.
In this clash, we all know champion.
Next year I will be in every city in your town.
I know what.
And if I'm not, you better make it possible.
And in the end you'll find.
Because you don't want these vibes from me.
And divine.
I don't know what party you be going to.
Waterproof, I go kick.
Cause we party to the sun, them come up.
If I go murder your sound. Boof, bluff, 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 bluff.
Boof, bluff. Some Batman and Robin, yeah, yeah, me. Boof, bluff, boof. Watch it now.
Joe, Rastafari, I listen to the first. Boom, things.
It's like a walk in the park.
Kill them, let the sound boy down.
Listen up.
Hey, put on the pressure, we just fling on the heat.
Easy.
I know English in places where put on the pressure, we just fling on the heat. Don't
pressure them.
Oh, and we put on the pressure, we just fling on the heat. Jamaican English.
Don't see me get wild, yeah.
Put on the pressure, we just fling on the heat. Don't test, we will make you moan and put on the pressure, we just fling on the heat. Jamaican English, yes, your place where put on the pressure.
I see you at what's happening.
Don't test we sound boy, we will make you moan and weep now. Make you moan and weep now. We please the people in every way.
We got Glenn him saying we want another hour.
We get throw down, we don't joke, but we are working. So don't test the Jamaican, you will burn your skin. Put on the pressure, we just swing on the heat. You never know English in places where put on the pressure, we just swing on the heat. DJ Jamaican English, you kill them now. Jamaican English, kill them now. Kill them now.
Oh, you don't know it. Big up Jamaican English, you don't know the thing turn up to it. Bucket so I say famous face live and living colors.
Okay, let's turn up this one loud.
Top till it bucket so I say married, sick, head turn up, over. Escape when we go feed them. Rock and pop up and bust them. English chat like I know feed them. Hey, Waterproofsound, tell them. We jump the under. The plate roll like a thunder. Bigger than a barrel. Well, anytime we rise the party pipe up, then select like digital now. Some dub plate, Captain, a Luncheon, a Shabba. When this place son boy asks, a whooper. Post up with dubs in a mouth like soda. Kill them, hey, Waterproof. Tear a piece of them head back. We can out like killer in a... You don't know it. Big up Jamaican English, you don't know the thing turn up to the bucket. So I say famous face live and living colors represented. So I say, turn it up to the bucket. So I say, mad head, sick head, turn up, over. Escape when we go feed them. Rock and pop up and bust them. English chat like I know feed them. Hey, Waterproofsound, tell them. We drive by in the under. The plate roll like a thunder. Bigger than a barrel lumber. Well, anytime we rise the party pipe up, then select like digital number. We have some dub plate, Captain, a Luncheon, a Shabba. When this place son boy asks, a whooper. Post up with dubs in a mouth like soda. Kill them, hey, Waterproof. Double mouth, dub plate, tear a piece of them head back. We get out like killer in a head blocker. When we ride the box, kill everybody. Nobody with no left back. How did a boots war like say them on the teacher? Obviously 100 meter. Hold up box, we did up big like a double. Brand new dub plate English get from a teacher. When me rain some like seizure. Dubs no more than 100 liter. But
are your burial? Me said this are your burial. Them dub plate and them up is not chemical. Are your burial? Me said this are your burial. Cause we know about one dub plate, we got several. Are your burial? Me said this are your burial. Yeah, Waterproofsound. Yeah, we always got a Glock in our back pocket. If I don't
Jehano,
we are knock it.
One before famous face.
Do the mathematics. The plate I sing sweet like but watch it damn terrible but not connect. So we murder enough sound them a ask one next.
Hey.
So rise they think they were chat Spanish. Bumbo clot them a dead a disaster this. Show respect when you're in a the boss office. Waterproofsound at the master this sound boy.
Tell them say we straight like a row. We mining on a row. And you now see we body a push out in a barrow. Straight like and we mining on a row. And you now see we body a push out. Straight and we not lean up. But a man where you pick the clean.
We got Galaxy P.
Come pick it.
I mean big up.
Him up. No bring them in on your ski.
Galaxy P.
English straight and him not lean up. But a sound boy where you pick the clean up. With little picking in over that team up. No bring them in on your scheme up. Hey sound boy. Left the little pick me alone. Little girl went over your fig home. And no make no boy you shake you with no eyes. Just put up on a hand in the ear. If you know with me no what? No little pick me 20, 30, 40 or 50. No them age group they fit me. English straight and him no lean up. But no sound boy where you pick me clean up. With little picking you no fit him.
Amunra P.
You know you
Galaxy P.
England
aka Gala P.
that no lean up. So we burn a boy where you pick me clean up.
The general.
No picking you no fit.
What am I saying?
Hey DJ,
This is quality majority.
we are burn out all child molester. Whether little girl or boy molest. Go ahead, move, the little girl direct ya. Wait till Jamaican English them catch you. A little school girl can't come beat me up. Fi make me friend them stop tolerate me up. And policeman want come check me up. Hey Jamaica, hey Jamaica, hey Jamaica.
Don't you know say DJ Jamaican English the musical general Silky dance and that. Waterproofsound of the champion sound. Any sound by disrespect, you know, them know say them are go dead. Kick it out with a long tag, you know. Hey, whoa, so
Humble the ride. Silky D, what you tell them?
proof.
I knew.
5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound I go dead. Waterproof, I kill them easy. Say 5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound I go dead. Waterproof, I kill them easy. Once upon a time. Jamaican English, the musical general. silky dance and that. Waterproof sound of the champion sound. Any sound by disrespect, you know, them know say them a go dead. Kick it out for a long time.
The hot one.
Hey.
Garfield Treasure say blap blap.
Oh, boy. The sound a go dead. Oh, Waterproof.
Manora Pay, big up.
5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound a go dead. Waterproof, I kill them easy. Say 5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound a go dead.
Big up Jingle King. Anyway, I'm there, your Galaxy P, big up.
Once upon a time, someone lose their mind. Try test the waterproof.
To the world.
Oh, try test the waterproof. Yes, Jamaican English kill them. Oh well, hey, them hoping every day. Play like waterproof. Jamaican English kill them. English you kill them.
Me tell her no. Murder. Who call them kind of funny people? Me nah ain't of them funny people. Listen again. When we come to hot it up, we come to hot it up proper, man. It's new, it's good for you.
DJ Jamaican English, the musical general, Silky dance and that.
I saw Silky D there, you know, the boss.
Any song by disrespect, you know, them know.
Bad man saw, bad saw, say knock it.
I get it up.
Well, Tressa say pom pom.
Hey, whoa.
Glenn says big.
Yeah. The sound I go down.
Hey, listen up.
Waterproof. Tell them. 5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound I go dead. Waterproof, I kill them easy. Say 5, 10, or 15, 20, 25, 30. Sound I go dead. Waterproof, I kill them easy. Once upon a time, someone lose their mind. Try test the waterproof. Try test the waterproof. Yes, Jamaican English kill them. Oh well, hey, them hoping every day to play like waterproof. Jamaican English kill them.
Good God, we got One Love Sound. I am mean all the Canada must them tuning lucky. One Love Sound, big up.
Yes, murder in the lawn. Hey. Play what you're playing and do what you're doing. Cause waterproof have some dumpling sound. Why your money can buy. Cause
alright, we're gonna roll for another hour. But do remember the drill. When I go off, you just have to come and recheck on me. Come link me up again. Link up.
On the back of friend.
Hear me now?
Waterproof.
Hear me around the world.
Tell them. On the battlefield and you just not come off. You know say them soft. Pain pan wall rub off. They make them foot chick them and tell them to run off. Got click waterproof. On the battlefield and you just not come off. This sound them soft. Pain pan wall rub off. They make them foot chick them and tell them. Jamaican. Still water lake feel. Them fake like the China rice. Light bulb, do angle, burn them at no fork angle, take risk, my wrist. Old bungle, badayat, badabrad, hot road, the jungle, waterproof your job. In mango 5 grand, walk to Trinidad to EU, back friend relinquish. Tell them, on the buckle, and we just start come off. This.
Come and say dance, I can't dance. Come and say waterproof sound. Give thanks and praises to Jah. Give thanks and praises to Jah each and every day.
Jamaican English now start from shout out. King Selassie I the first him a run.
Whenever some massive them, Reynolds say yes.
Big songs.
Glenn say Joe.
They walk with
One Love sound easy.
Well, there's some out of the play we a bring for them. We let them know Jamaican English not scared of them. We know me blessings and Jah him provided them. Take me for your pound till me drop this, don't play on them. And the rest of me Jah you, that is them problem. Don't play it, I hit them hard, Jah say fi spank them. Line them up one by one and you know we clash them. Waterproof sound, not scared of them mess. Jamaican English, not scared of them mess. Enough dog a bark, but me not feel no bite yet. Anytime you want step, make sure
Bayesian Mafia.
coming from the order of Melchizedek. Man a real Rasta man, we no deal with chicken yet. As a Ethiopian,
We got Talawa roots.
yeah. Waterproof sound, not take no disrespect. Jamaican English, not take no disrespect. From your start to select the vibes not drop yet. This is one dub plate, you will never forget me sing. Waterproof sound, give thanks and praises to Jah. Give thanks and praises to Jah each and every day.
And this is exclusive for you and yours. I mean, I introduce to you Jamaican English. Where them far, where them a do ya? Jamaican English and English Where them murder, 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 where them far, where them a do ya? Jamaican English a crowd pleaser. Where them far, where them a do ya? Sound boy, you shoulda cross the border. True a ragamuffin, we no afraid of them sound. Boy, we no like, we no keep them friend. True a ragamuffin, we no afraid of them sound.
Right now the veteran Kyle Meeks.
Coming at the dance, jukes and a cool sound. Boy, come out, them no know the rule. Coming at the dance, jukes and a cool sound. Boy, come out, them a act like a fool. Fire the must say ya kaboom. The sound, boy, you feel second sound. Boy, you feel
come again.
Fire the must tell you think.
We got Glenn. You done know, right? The sample.
Jamaican English. Murder, murder, Shillele bum bum bididi bum 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 bum.
Aye. English, you know, yes, bad. Waterproof sound, you know, yes, everybody.
Alright, Massive and crew, do remember if we shut off, come and check me back on for the last hour.
And English, you know, so you
plenty to come. The crew, them lock on a big up.
Sound, yeah.
Saturday entertainment on a bomb with some fire.
We no care. Sound boy get murdered this year. We no care. Sound I got dead this year. We no care. English murder them this year. We no care. Waterproof murder them this year. No sound test. We have no fear. Yes, waterproof brush them this year. Yes, Jamaican English. Yes, we no care. Murder them sound there.
Ragazzi.
Waterproof sound. Yes, we bad. Jamaican English revive.
We represent for the people and the people's choice, right?
Waterproof sound, yes, we bad. We
need to go brag and boast. Me already brag and boasty.
Jamaican English, you know, say yes, we.
If you feel the vibe, lock on, tap in.
And yeah, get that coffin, get that breathe. English, put them motherfucker just to sleep. Get that coffin, get that breathe. Yes, we'll leap on 9 night, we go eat. Them lick me down, them pick me up, me bounce right back. I'm a hard boy for that. English hard boy for that. Them lick me down, them pick me up, me bounce right back. Waterproof.
What am I say?
Them we not easy for that. No.
Burn them and them dirty ways. Burn them and them fast profit. Them vexing us.
When I level up with my tolerance.
Can't take the fire away.
Again.
Burn them and them dirty ways. Burn them and them fast profit. Them
again.
Them vexing us. Step up in the higher go.
What already?
Can't take the fire away. Fire. Like a soldier upon a mission, man, I fight to the end. Enough of them lies, you know, I work for them, set them bright. When them wild like pigeon, they eat, make them run left the kitchen. Yeah, enough the on the best and what I can feel. Now see them with no sword, but them have the shield. You're not gonna make it to the top if you not have the seal. I like the sound from the whistle.
Tolerance.
Burn them on them dirty working guys. Burn them on them fast profit where them a price. Them vex till you step up in a higher.
Come again.
Can't take the fire where English play. Burn them on them dirty working guys. Burn them on them fast profit where them a price. Them vex till you step up in a higher. Can't take the fire where English ya. Nah sell out, not even shadow English. Not just them can't tame and read no peer, no butter like no puss. Them will sneak up on you in the dark, attack you like a crux. You only sell your out for guineas or a couple bucks, yeah. Never believe you could rise to the top. Now them see the glory, they walk on them want fi up. Now for them a demons in a pants and frock. So we act in a fire fi watch me earth back.
Jamaican English. No accent, no question. Bang. Just press one. You're done. The sound I wanna hear in my life every day. The sound I wanna hear.
This is Extra X.
Waterproof. The sound I wanna hear in my life every day. The sound I wanna hear. The sound I wanna Waterproof. It's an murder crusade and it's the best. Sound in your blood, you go bleed, you not go live. Even if you get first aid, you are go dead. When we don't carry out the rage and go sound.
Garfield Revelation Church, big up. Big up Mr. Bad Sarge, we got Ronald, we got Glenn all the time, my brother, enough love.
English, him going show you out.
Original junglist, right?
Think like this, so we don't talk, we chop it up, bow.
Turn up.
Forehead, I'll make sure that dead.
This is Extra X from the Brooklyn.
This sound I wanna hear in my life every day.
All the Brooklyn tap in.
So now
Mr. Diego Diligent, Five Kings, Mikey Woods.
You want here in my life.
Them say English are better than.
So now
madder than.
Here, so now I wanna touch a button, sound boy come. English we gun you down. Touch a button, sound boy come. Waterproof will kill you. Touch a button, sound boy come. Come make we.
Yeah man, we got Gabby.
Touch a button, sound boy come. Waterproof kill you. Jamaican English. Waterproof sound, you know. You take time out for the babies and ladies. Drop no kind, you don't know, you know.
Here we go.
All the girls in here.
Here we go.
Jamaican English.
Jigsy King. Wanna line me up.
I figure to bandy girl, why you bandy band? The bandy can't tell me I'm not gift from God. Cry for the bandy girl.
Hey.
The band.
Waterproof sound, listen.
Listen. Girl, any man you want, you can't get. Face and take life and you body perfect.
And North London we are right, you know. Listen up, London massive.
Girl jump and say yes. Any man you want, girl, you know you can't get. Face and take life and your body perfect. Anywhere you pass to.
What am I say, Birmingham, Manchester? What on Bristol?
Yes, real up. Girl, you know my road, girl, closing, I can see some. Girl, when you walk on road. Real up, I'm on the expense.
Coventry, Leicester, Luton, Nottingham. All them in Norwich, massive easy. Northampton, Wellingborough.
I'm out for the babies and ladies. Drop no.
I know we come to conquer.
We just can't do without the girls.
Hey!
Jamaican English with the girls, them.
And I got the crew lock on.
Girl! I figure to bandy girl, why you bandy band? The bandy can't tell me I'm not gift from God. Cry for the bandy girl, why the bandy?
Around the world.
The proof girls, them. Girl, any man you want, you can't get. Face and take life and your body perfect. Girl, any man you need, you can. I can't let you love them all the money is a figure. Girl, jump and say yes. Any man you want, girl, you know you can't get. Face and take life and your body perfect. Anywhere you pass to. Hey, Jamaican English with the girls, them. Girls, real up. Girl, you know my road, girl, closing, I can see some. Girl, when you walk on road. Real up, I'm the expensive and ad. You know my road, girl, close and you know my road, girl. You meet the ear to, so you look sweet. Them ear to, so you look nicer than them. Them ear to, but them can't knock you. Yeah, what me girls, them there. English girl, girl.
dirty and them don't look nice. Can they just cock up in the body and ride them match? Ride, on the soon dirty and them don't look nice. Can they just cock up in the body and ride them match? Chat behind the back, but don't pay them no man. Girl, you look good, girl, too, you look nice. Girl out the road, none of them are criticize. Fancy Susie and the one them test. Waterproof girls, them album. Girl, ain't nothing but the real thing, baby. 1 million, I drive English crazy. Ain't nothing but the Jamaican English, can English, can English, can English.
I know it's Jamaican English are the real boss. Yeah? And it's the waterproof sound. Are the big bad sound. Ragazzi represent. Then I go 7 or 11, cause them touch about know what them shoulda never touch. We gonna pardon.
Okay, the countdown's on again. Just come and check me, back on. Here we go.
7